What's up? What's up? What's up? So today, I went and got me some ice cream. It's just butter pecan ice cream. And it's so delicious. If you didn't get you no ice cream on this Sunday, shame on you. It's so good. I can't even drive. It's so good. The pecan. Now I don't like cookie and cream from Dairy Joe because this seems like it's too soft. I like my Oreos hard. Oh, y'all know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go buy ice cream and we're gonna make our own cookie and cream. It's so easy too, y'all. We need vanilla ice cream. We need Oreo cookies. We need a crusher. Ooh. When I was in school, we used to make dirt worm ice cream with the little worms, and you get the Oreos and you crush them up and you put them in the vanilla ice cream. I don't know, I just called y'all to sell on the railroad track now. But yeah. I'm so sorry, y'all. This is Queen back with another woo ice cream video. It's your girl KP back with another video. Today is ice cream day, Sunday. If you ain't get you no ice cream, shame on you. Shame on you. I just eat my ice cream for you, okay? Yo, it's so good. I'm not gonna lie. Make sure you get some ice cream on Sunday. That's delicious. I'm trying to get, how many likes I say I need? 1,000 or 1,000? 10,000. I'm trying to get 10,000 likes. Y'all never get me to 10,000. I guess y'all don't love me no more. But once again, I want to say thank you for being a subscribers and a supporter. I can't do it without you. I'm nothing without y'all. So thank y'all. Get me to 10,000 likes. 100,000. It wouldn't fit. It's so good. Don't forget to hit that like button. Turn on that post notification so you will know when I'm on eating some ice cream. Happy Sunday. Be positive. Surround yourself around positive people, positive energy, and nobody can tell you you're beautiful. You're beautiful today. You are amazing, and I love you. Don't forget to hit that post notification. Get me to 10,000 subscribers and 10,000 likes. Motivation, love. Queen is out. I gotta eat my ice cream.